Welcome to ORG AutoCar, your ultimate destination for everything automotive. If you love exploring the latest innovations, luxury machines, and the future of mobility, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Today, we're diving into something truly spectacular, the all-new 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost, the next generation of elegance, power, and unmatched craftsmanship, officially unveiled and already turning heads around the world. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost is not just a car, it's a masterpiece of engineering and art, designed to redefine what modern luxury means. Rolls-Royce has taken everything that made the previous Ghost a symbol of understated power and elevated it to an entirely new level. The design continues the brand's post-opulence philosophy, focusing on purity, precision, and refinement. The exterior now features smoother lines, a more aerodynamic silhouette, and a polished black badge option for those who prefer a bolder presence. Every curve of the new Ghost speaks of timeless sophistication, with a wider stance and a freshly styled illuminated Pantheon grille that glows gently at night, giving it a majestic aura. Under the hood, the 2025 Ghost is powered by the signature 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, tuned to deliver even smoother power delivery and whisper-quiet performance. Rolls-Royce has focused heavily on improving ride comfort with its advanced planar suspension system. The result is what they call the magic carpet ride, a sensation that makes you feel like you're floating above the road. The new generation also introduces enhanced all-wheel drive and four-wheel steering for unmatched stability and effortless handling. Inside, the 2025 Ghost redefines opulence in motion. The cabin is an oasis of calm, featuring hand-stitched leather, fine wood veneers, and a starlight headliner that now comes with custom shooting star animations. Everything inside is meticulously handcrafted, from the bespoke dashboard to the hidden umbrella compartments in the doors. The infotainment system has been upgraded with a new high-definition display, enhanced connectivity, and an optional bespoke audio system that delivers concert-quality sound. Rolls-Royce also introduces new interior color themes inspired by nature and architecture, allowing owners to customize every inch of their Ghost to personal perfection. Technology has also taken a leap forward. The car is now equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, AI-powered adaptive cruise control, night vision, and a 3D surround camera system. The new Ghost ensures that every journey is not just luxurious, but also effortlessly safe and intelligent. From every angle, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost embodies what the brand stands for: grace, grandeur, and perfection without compromise. It's not about showing off wealth. It's about celebrating craftsmanship, precision, and individuality. The new Ghost proves once again that Rolls-Royce doesn't just build cars, it builds experiences. So, what do you think about the next generation 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost? Is it the ultimate expression of modern luxury? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching ORG AutoCar, where passion meets performance. Stay tuned for more updates from the world of automotive excellence.